We live north of Toronto, Whitchurch, Stouffville, right at Musselman's Lake, so it's a beautiful area. We looked at 3 different companies, to be honest, and what we found was Action Home Services was likely the most responsive. It was the most professional in its approach. I really like the sales guy, to be honest. It's really important to sort of match up the homeowner's time availability with the demands of the project. And so the team at Action Home Services did a great job in ensuring that the right communication was given at the right time, the right questions were asked along the way at the right time, because it is a bit about expectation management. And I think Action Home Services does a great job in managing expectations. Action Home Services delivered on every single component of the project, and I think they did a fantastic job. So the team was fantastic. They arrived on time, they left, I mean, it was incredible. They arrived at like 7 o'clock in the morning every single morning. They kept the property very clean and tidy as they went through all the building stages. And like I said, they were here first thing in the morning. They were leaving at 7 o'clock at night. From the project manager, who was constantly or sort of as I needed communicating via text or email or phone call. I'd give you 5 stars, 100%. I'd give you 5 stars on the project. A class act and a first class team. So